So what's up guys, and welcome to Ívar's Fly Workshop. Today we are going to tie a fly that is made by a friend of mine who I fish with quite a bit. His name is Örvar Bessason, and it's a really good friend and good angler as well. This is the fly RÍN, and I'll tell you a story about it just in a second. But RÍN is, as you may notice, under an influence by another fly called Pheasant Tail. The thread we are using, it's a sample fly nano silk 50 denier, and we are using curved nymph from Ahrex number 14 for this one. And we are using a Turrall tungsten bead 3.2 mil. And the RÍN is, there is a story behind the name. And Örvar's friend was fishing with him, and they haven't got anything until they tried this fly. Then Örvar's friend caught the only fish that day. And this friend of Örvar, he runs a musical instrument store here in Iceland. So, and that store is called RÍN. So there you got it. The rib of the fly is a UNI medium gold wire, but yeah, that's why Örvar named this fly RÍN. But it is like close to some sort of a pheasant tail variation, but it is a really it's a really simple fly, and it's even more simple to tie than the pheasant tail. Still works the same, so definitely pay good attention. So yeah, here's the story in Icelandic. I just told you. We are using like those fibers of the pheasant tail. The length of the tail itself on the fly is about this. You can make it a bit shorter if you like. Then we take a couple of wraps with the wire, and then fold the rest of the feathers backwards, like so. And then we get them up front again, and then we save the wire and store the wire, and we catch this with our thread here. So it's like, as you see, really simple in its way. Make the thorax there, then comes a wire over the thorax and here, and we take the rest of the wing back, keep it there, and finish it off with a wire. And then we lock in the wire with the thread, and take like a few tight wraps to secure the thread in, and it's gonna be totally okay there. Then we snip off the thread or helicopter it off. Then we have to build up, like as you see, the bead is kind of loose. We have to build up like a head of the fly, something to put pressure on the bead. But then we are going to snip off the wing like so. So this is a RÍN. It's like somebody will say it is just just a pheasant tail, but it's, as you see, it's tied in a little different way. It is a simple fly, just like the PT, and it's definitely gonna work well for you guys. So the only thing left is to make a couple of whip finishes and snip off the thread and place some solar spawn cure on the head. Let's zap it with our light. And in some lakes, Víðidalsá, I fished quite a bit with Örvar, and in Víðidalsá, when he have made a really good catch with this fly up in the highlands in some lakes there and all over actually. And even though Örvar hasn't been fly fishing for the same amount of time as I have been, he is really good at it, I would say, definitely. So compliments to my friend. Then Örvar is a chef as well, so he cooks for us when we are out fishing. So I just want to say thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.